Alright, hello guys. This is a new series. I've been doing a website series. I decided to take a break on that, and I'm starting a Scratch series with my sister.
Hi.
Okay, so first of all, you need to know what Scratch is. So Scratch is this humongous program. Like people use it all the time to create beginner programs to start off their coding adventure.
Yeah, I started there as well.
Yeah, this is a great place to start out trying the coding techniques, and if you need to change something with your coding habits, then you can do it over here. Okay, enough with that. Let's go to create. Okay, so first of all, you need to sign into your account. I'm already signed in, as you can see, and you need to hit create. And what it's going to do is going to take you to this website called scratch.mit.edu/projects/editor/.
Wow. Okay.
So then it's going to load up. A screen may take a long time to load, but you'll see it when you see it.
Here we are.
Okay, so we're back. As you can see, this is a load of stuff that you see over here. This is the title. I'll walk you through Scratch. This is the title. It's the file. You click on it. You can create a new folder. No, not new folder. New project. You can save it. You can save it as a copy. Load from your computer. So when I say load from your computer, you can do something called download. You can download this, but I don't really know how to yet. But you can download this somehow, and you can save onto your computer. And next time you're going on Scratch, you can just open it from the computer. So it's pretty neat.
Yep.
So, what are we going to do today?
Well, I was thinking just doing something basic with the cat.
Yeah, so you see this cat over here. It may be a bit tedious, but this cat is called Scratch. That's why this thing is called Scratch.
Yeah.
It's humongous. So let's start off by doing something. So go to events. There's lots of different sections over here. This is my blocks. This is where I create your own blocks. Variables. It's already got a default variable. Just delete the default variable. You don't need that. The variables, you can change things over here. Operators. It operates with numbers or functions. Sensing. It senses basically if you're touching anything or to do something when you touch something. Control, you control the character with this event, so like when this green flag is clicked, then something happens.
Yeah.
And do you know what this means?
When somebody presses the space bar, then something happens.
Yeah, there's a lot of different options as well.
Up arrow, A, B, all the letters, numbers.
Yep. So this is the sounds. You can play sounds in this. This is the looks. So you can change costumes. You can tell the thing to say hello or say bye, something like that. And this is the move.
So
it's basically the move. This is change X and change Y. And that's basically it, actually. So we'll start off by doing something simple. Let's Let's drag when flat clicked, and let's go to looks. As you can see over here, we can set size to 100%. So 100% is what it's like right now.
Yep.
So if we change it to 20%, it's 100% size. Then let's see what happens. So you want to see what happens?
Yeah.
Green flag.
Okay.
As you can see, it went smaller. It became smaller. So this is a bit too small.
Yeah.
So let's change it to 50% its size. Let's click green flag. That's better.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can just play around with this to your own needs, and we'll get going. Okay. So this code is not the only thing we need to make a game. So let's start off by doing something. You can click, you can create a lot of when flag clicked, and you can have a lot of forever loops. So this forever loop, it repeats every single step that you put inside here. Then you see this arrow, it goes up, so that means it can repeat again from the top.
Yeah, so it keeps on going.
Keep on going,
stop.
keep on going. Okay, so we're going to drag the if statement into here, so that means the forever loop will do the if statement.
Ah,
And
that's cool.
we're going to drag a key pressed. Okay,
let's say
right arrow.
Yeah, right arrow.
Okay, so with this one, it's not that tricky. So let's set the rotation style left, right. You need to do this because something bad will happen if you don't do this. So let's.
Can you show what bad thing?
Okay, so let's see what bad thing happens. So you see this already facing 90 degrees, so we don't need to do this. So let's try left arrow. So you'll see what I'm talking about. If I do negative 90, which is left, negative 90, and to move left, we need to change x by a negative number. So let's do negative 2. Okay?
Sure.
So that means it's going this way on the x coordinate. Just imagine there's x and y coordinates over here.
Okay.
And it's going along the negative side of the x coordinates, so it's going left. Okay, so you'll see why I said you have to put set rotation style left, right. Okay, let's start. As you can see, the cat goes upside down, so we don't want that. Let's just set the cat to the original position in the middle. Let's just do 0, 0. Set cat to 0, 0. You can do this. I don't really care if you don't do it, but it's your own game, so you can choose what you do with this. Okay, so this is why we need the set rotation style left and right. Put it on top of the pointed direction, so that means this thing happens before this thing happens.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, you want to click the green flag?
Okay.
There we go. The cat's still facing this way, but it's okay. If we press left, then it goes in the correct way. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
You may think this is a bit boring.
Movement.
It's a bit boring, isn't it?
No, I think it's pretty cool.
Okay, so if you're doing like a big game, then you'll need to do this. You need to select this, take this out, and take the sensing out, and take this thing out, delete it, and put a if-else statement. So let's put the blocks inside here. So what this does is that if the left arrow is pressed, then this thing happens. If it's not, then else. Else means something else happens. Then you can put some blocks over there to do something. You can. So what we want to do else, if it's not pressing the left arrow, we want it to press the right arrow. So let's go to key right arrow pressed. Okay, so what do you think it's supposed to do over here, Eva?
Not really sure.
Try and think.
You can choose this one.
Okay, so what we need to do is get this. This is the easier way. Right click it and press duplicate. So now you have 2 of these. But what's wrong with this is that if you press the left arrow, then this thing will happen, and if you press the right arrow, then this thing will happen. It's the same thing.
Oh.
So that means if you press left and right arrow, then you have to, and then it's going to do the same thing. So with this, we need to delete this, and we need to put 90 degrees is going right now. So you see we put this set rotation style left and right. That's very, very, very key. And also this is very key as well. We're going left still. So we need to change this. We need to change it to 2. So it's equal.
Yep,
let's put these into here. Okay, let's click the green flag. As you can see, if we move right and we move left, we're facing in the correct directions and we're going the correct way. Okay. So now this is just the basics. and we will be adding a gravity function next time we see you. And hope you like this video, and we'll help to make some soon next time. Okay, bye.
Bye.